How to start an SIP on Teji Mandi app. What is SIP investment? SIP, that is Systematic Investment Plan, is an investment route where one can invest a fixed amount at regular interval. Say once a month or once a quarter instead of making a lump sum investment. To begin an SIP with Teji Mandi portfolio, ensure your broker is listed under supported brokers. Now navigate to the account tab. Select your preferred portfolio under manage portfolios. For example, Teji Mandi flagship. Tap on start SIP. Log in your broker account. You will see two options to start your SIP, auto SIP or manual SIP. Auto SIP means your order will be placed automatically by deducting fund from your broking account. And in manual SIP, you will have to place your order manually. Here, you will be notified when your next SIP is due. If you are opting for auto SIP, tap auto SIP toggle. Enter the start date, SIP frequency and amount. The minimum investment amount for auto SIP is equivalent to the portfolio investment amount, and this may change as per the market condition. Now tap preview orders and then start SIP. Then tap continue. Congratulations, your SIP has been initiated and you will be receive a notification for your SIP. If you are opting for a manual SIP, tap manual SIP toggle. Enter start date, SIP frequency and amount. Note that the SIP amount should be minimum of Rs 8,000 and this value may change as per the market condition. Now tap start manual SIP and then continue. Congratulations, your new SIP has been initiated and you will be receive a notification for your SIP. For any assistance, please connect with us via email at support@tejimandi.com or via in-app chat box.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.